Okay, I've hit record. This is Ghost Adventure by me again and my Doidy here. So, I don't know where are we going, so I'm just, yes. Oh my god. Swing the ah. Yeah. Fukay din pala. Okay. You can see that is a very deep fukay. About
9 feet.
No, 9 feet under, no. About 24 inches. Yeah, something like that. Okay. We are now in the place of the Babaknang. As you can see, everyone here. Kapanan tayo? Okay. Dark places. Apa yung may searcherin? Ayun gaya nga. Dada ko mga tatlo. Magkita ko ito. Okay. I saw something right there. I saw something move right there. Yeah. Okay. I saw something move right there. Okay. Okay. What is that? Some big tree. A big tree. A large tree has fallen. Yes, we can show it here. Okay. Okay, as we are walking by, we're gonna go back to our destination. Right there, I swear. Okay. We are almost there. Lots of persons, lots of people. Yeah, very. What we're going to?
Ikot-ikot, sir.
Ikot-ikot po. Paikot lang tayo.
Nakakastoyak na eh. Lagi na nga rin. Ano na may back pala yun?
Ha? Awa na mo may back na yan. Bigit! Watching.
See, it's very. Study.
Kamu.
Ada yung ibarat na.
Apa yang tahu rasen? Tak apa-apa.
Mungkin kan tupai. nakakita ko pa nga ng pansitin.
Awan. Awang pansit.
Nakipig ka naman.
Ha?